how to stop laptop screen flickering issue Windows 10 or 11. So what we're gonna do is open our search bar and search device manager, and after searching for device manager we're gonna open it, and after opening it I'm gonna expand it, and after expanding we can search for some related things like monitor. So I'm gonna click on monitor, and inside monitor we can see there is integrated monitor, and we're gonna open update, then search if there's anything that need to be installed. There is not, everything is already installed, so we're gonna close it. Then we're gonna again click on update, and we will click on browsers, and now we can browse it, and after browsing it we can see that everything is already up to date and already installed. So we're gonna close it, and even if this is not working and doing after all this your screen is still flickering, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna on display adapters, then after clicking on it we can see our graphic cards like Intel and graphics and everything. We can update it as well as the same way we did for the monitors, and we have to install everything in the same way, and after installing it it may work. Your screen must stop flickering, and if it doesn't stop flickering, then what we can do is we will again go in our search bar, and we will search for Windows updates. We will see if there is any updates available, or if our Windows is up to date. And after updating it, it may help stop the flickering in our laptop screen in Windows 10 or 11. So yeah, that is how we fix laptop screen flickering issues in Windows 10 and 11.